This project presents the optimal design of heart rate monitoring device for TI India Analog Design Contest. A heart rate monitoring device is used to measure the heart rate and display it in the digital format. It is used in different areas, for example, in the field of medical diagnosis, which helps to detect the heart malfunctions, and it can also be worn during the exercise. Now we'll see the overview of transmitter module. Heart rate can be measured either by ECG waveform or by blood flow into the finger, that is pulse method. When blood flows during the systolic stroke of the heart into the body parts, the finger gets its blood via the radial artery on the arm. The blood flow into the finger can be sensed photoelectrically. To count the heartbeats, here we use a small light source on one side of the finger, that is LED, and on the other side, LDR is used to detect the changes in the light intensity. The blood flow causes the variation in the light intensity reaching the LDR. The LDR acts as a detector of change in the light intensity due to the flow of blood. The photocurrent is converted into voltage and amplified by the operational amplifier LM358. The LM358 series consists of two independent high-gain internally frequency compensated operational amplifiers which were designed specifically to operate from a single power supply over wide range of voltages. The output of the amplifier is fed to the comparator for squaring, and this detected pulses are fed to the microcontroller for further processing. The microcontroller that is used at the transmitter end is TIC12F683. This microcontroller is the heart of the sensor circuit. It is 8-pin 8-bit microcontroller with 256 bytes of EEPROM, 128 bytes of RAM. This microcontroller measures the time taken for each heartbeat sample, converts it into beats per minute and sends it to the RF transmitter module. The transmitter module is TX433, which is an ASK transmitter module which operates at 433 MHz. It transmits the digital data 1 byte at a time at the given baud rate coming from the microcontroller. Now let us see the overview of the receiver module. The single strand yellow wire acts as the antenna, and its length is about 15 cm and it is connected to the RX receiver module. The receiver module is RX433. It is an ASK receiver which operates at 433 MHz. RX433 is based on single conversion super heterodyne receiver architecture and incorporates an entire phase locked loop for precise local oscillator generation. RX433 sends the incoming byte from the transmitter to the microcontroller to display on the LCD. The receiver microcontroller MSP430 F2370 is a 40-pin 16-bit microcontroller with 32 kilobytes of flash programmable, 2 kilobytes of RAM, 38 input-output lines, and an LCD that is used in the receiver module is a small, low-cost 16x2 display. It is easy to interface with the microcontroller because of an embedded control. The pin out on most LCDs will be 14 to 16 pins in a single row. The 16-pin version has 2 extra pins to accommodate a backlight. There are 2 ways to interface microcontroller MSP430 F2370 to LCD, that is 8-bit interface or 4-bit interface. Here it is configured in 8-bit interface. The MSP430 receives the packet from the heartbeat monitor sensor, extracts the information and displays the text message accordingly on 16x2 display. Now let us see the demo of our project. The index finger is placed in between the LED and the LDR. The heartbeat is being captured by the sensor circuit, which is indicated by the yellow LED. Now when we press the push button switch, the microcontroller starts acquiring the heartbeat pulses and converts it into beats per minute and transmits over the RF media. We can also see the red LED blinking, indicating that microcontroller is calculating the heart rate. Now we can observe the heart rate displayed on the LCD. We can also observe the changes in the heart rate as the heart rate is measured in the real time. On the whole, this system is low cost, low power, battery operated with continuous Health Alliance display via LCD. In summary, a new medical wearable device has been developed as the part of the study targeted to heart rate control wirelessly. We thank Texas Instruments for giving us this opportunity and showcasing our talents through TI India Analog Design Contest. We thank our faculty advisor Dr. M. Meenakshi and Professor Kashyap Malkesh for their support and guidance. We thank Dr. C.P. Ravi Kumar and Mr. Sagar Juneja, Texas Instruments. Thank you.